Okay, Sloane, you have to put all your things in your basket. Go put it in your basket. Good job. Pick up all the cars and put them in your basket. Almost. Pick it up. Good girl. Get the last blue one. You have to get the last blue one. Go get the blue one. Come on. Get the blue one. Go get the blue one. Come on. Go get the blue one. Uh-oh, the fire truck came out. Good girl. Okay, pick up your basket. Come on. Pick up your basket.
Papa?
There she goes. You got your basket and your sippy.